Smile, hello everyone. Today we'll learn to cure any liver problem. So, whether it's autoimmune system problem or laziness in the morning, early morning laziness, or fatty liver, or pain in the legs and feet. And sometimes children say that they don't feel hungry. And if the problem is there in muscles, muscular problem, this will work for all. So please learn how to do it. First of all, in Sujok, right hand, this is our liver area. This area is our liver area. So, take a green color sketch pen and in middle finger we have a liver meridian. Middle finger, middle line, from top to bottom, make a green line. Top to bottom, green line. And this area has very active liver points. So make a smiley. It's excellent for people also who have diabetes, because for diabetes we need to activate our liver also along with pancreas. And people who have muscular problem, this will give relief to that a lot. And in case pain is there in legs and feet, it will also help in that. And people who have jaundice, your counts will come down very fast. And in finger system, this is the liver area. So in the liver area, you make a green line here, green smiley here, and you can take green gram, make a circle of it and put it in the liver correspondence system, finger correspondence system. So in every finger, these points are here. In right hand, the points are here, and also here. Where I am marking it, you just have a look. These are liver points. So you can take any two, not necessary to take all, keep changing every day. And these are the liver points. And along with that, middle finger bottom joint is center joint is your liver joint in both hands, in fact. So you can circle this green or red. You can circle this either green or you can put red color also to activate the liver. And do good ring massage before starting any work on your liver points. Good ring massage in all fingers from top to bottom. See, when you do ring massage, you hold the ring from all sides and keep rotating the ring and do good massage. Very good for weak and fatty liver. Morning laziness. Some people feel that when we get up in the morning, we don't feel active. and later we are okay. This is also the wind. Liver controls the wind energy in the body. So once you tonify this green, this will activate the wind energy in the body. Do good ring massage in all fingers. And in this hand, this is the liver point. So either you can make a smiley here, or if you have to put the seeds, take the paper tape, put the green gram. I am telling you the things which are available at home so that you don't have to go anywhere. And put the seeds here. And cover it. Now keep pressing it in between. So all these points are liver points, and this meridian is liver meridian, and this center joint of each hand, you can color it either red or green. This is the liver point in my left hand, and in right hand this is the liver point. Before putting the seeds, we have to give good pressure on this point. We can also use thumb pad in case you have. Give good pressure on this point. And you can look for the painful points here. This is the liver area. Look for the painful points. Once you find the painful point, mark it so that you don't lose that point. That is the most important point. You have to put the seed there, and in case you are unable to find the point, you can put the green gram on this area like this. Put the green gram on the liver area. This was the painful point, and otherwise the whole area you can put the green gram. And in finger system, as I told you before also, this is the liver area. In my left hand also and right hand also, I'll show you in finger system. This is in the left hand, this area, this area. And mini system, this is the area. So it's diagonally opposite, liver, diagonally opposite. And you can keep changing the fingers, and here you can put the green gram after doing good ring massage. It's very important to stimulate these points. Stimulate it nicely so it's warmed up. Once it's warmed up, look for the painful point, and once you find the painful point, then you can put the seed here. Now on feet, any foot you can take, and in big toe, just massage this nicely. Big toe, this is spleen ending point, this is liver meridian ending point. Massage nicely. And after doing good massage, you can put the seeds here. Okay, you can either use green gram or you can also use methi seeds. See, I am telling you the things that are available with you at home. Seeds here. On this point. And if you find the painful point, please mark it. And one seed also will be sufficient then. And according to finger and mini system, this is stomach, opposite to stomach is liver. This is stomach and this is liver. Now here also you can put the seeds. You look for the painful point and the seeds are here. And mini system above the joint. So this is diagonally opposite. So one seed here and one seed here after looking for the painful point. In any toe. Any toe. One here and one here. One below the joint and one above the joint. So with two, if you find the painful point, with just by putting two seeds, you can cure your liver. Now left foot little nail is your liver nail. In case you have to tonify the liver, now just have a look. This is the chakra magnet. Yellow out and white inside seen is tonification. So have a look like this. Visible from top is outside yellow and inside white. We have to put this on little nail of left foot and tell the patient to keep it for 2-3 hours. And best time will be at night, but we can't make the person sleep at night with this. So anytime in the morning also they can put for 2 hours. In case you don't have this magnet, then other option is to color the nail red, the skin which is touching the nail, color it red. This is activating the liver nail. According to health system, our digestive upper organs come here. This is the stomach and this is liver. This area is liver. So in case somebody is having problems in the liver, enlarged liver, fatty liver, or any liver problem, they will find the painful points here. Look for the painful point or massage this area nicely. After massaging it well, put the seeds here. You can put green gram or you can also put methi seeds, which are available in your kitchen. This is a very beautiful auto repair system which can be activated with color and seeds. Very simple things that are available at home. Smile, thanks.